What is homeowners insurance and why do you need it?
Homeowners insurance protects you financially if your home is damaged by perils like fire, theft, or storms. It covers repair or rebuilding costs and often your belongings and liability for accidents on your property. With the right insurance, you avoid paying out of pocket for major losses. Choosing appropriate coverage is crucial to protect your investment and provide peace of mind.
How do you calculate the right coverage amount?
To estimate how much homeowners insurance you need, focus on the cost to rebuild your home, not its market value. Factor in local construction costs, home features, and special materials. Don't forget personal belongings and added structures like garages. Insufficient coverage may leave you paying for gaps if disaster strikes.
What's typically included in a standard policy?
A standard policy usually covers your home's structure, personal property, liability for injuries, and additional living expenses if you're forced to live elsewhere after a covered event. However, certain risks like floods or earthquakes may require additional policies. Always check exclusions in your specific policy.
Are there tools to help estimate your insurance needs?
Many times, insurance companies and agents offer online calculators that help estimate your rebuilding costs based on your home's size, age, construction type, and location. Getting a professional home appraisal or consulting your insurer can ensure your coverage matches your home's true replacement value.
How often should you review your coverage?
Review your homeowner's insurance every year or after making improvements, buying expensive items, or significant life changes. Regular updates ensure your coverage keeps pace with changes in rebuilding costs or the value of your belongings. Staying up to date helps you avoid being underinsured or overpaying.